Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Neuroqueer means? Let's explore. Neuroqueer is a concept that blends neurodiversity and queerness, rejecting normative ideas about both mind and sexuality. It's an identity that challenges traditional expectations of behavior, thought, and expression, often embraced by individuals who are both neurodivergent, such as those with autism or ADHD, and queer. Neuroqueering involves living in a way that defies societal norms, embracing unique ways of thinking, experiencing the world, and expressing gender or sexuality. This concept is about creating a space where neurodivergence and queerness intersect, offering a more inclusive understanding of identity. In essence, Neuroqueer is about rejecting conventional norms and celebrating the diversity of mind and identity, advocating for the freedom to be oneself in all aspects. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.